along with Channa masala. Everything starts with Queen Victoria, and today her demand is Chole Bhature. So for making good chole, you need to take the dried garbanzo, the chana, and soak it in the water, preferably overnight, boil it. We will make the chole curry later, but first we are going to mix the atta for the bhatura. For the bhatura, the other day when we made the puri, we used whole wheat flour, that is atta. Today we are going to use all-purpose flour, that is maida. And in this, we are going to add a little bit of salt, semolina, the suji, the cooking soda, oil, yogurt. Mix the dough till it is nice and soft. The dough is all nice and soft, and let's make the chole curry. For this, add oil, add whole garam masala, bay leaf, and also a little bit of cumin. Now, in this, add finely chopped onion, because this onion need to kind of melt away to give the good gravy. And then add salt and fry the onions till they are slightly golden in color. Now, in this, add ginger garlic paste, turmeric. You can add chopped tomato or even tomato puree. Now, in this, you can use homemade chole masala. I am going to provide the link. You can see how that is made, and add the chole masala. Because I always want a little extra hot, I am going to add a little extra chili powder, some coriander powder, some cumin powder, and a little bit of nutmeg powder. You know, I love this flavor for this. And add some green chili. Now cook all of this till the raw flavor of the tomato is gone and the gravy is nicely cooked. Add the chole that has been cooked. There are many variations we do, like we soak tea leaf in a muslin cloth and soak to give a dark color, and the other variations I am going to show you some other time, but today the focus is on nice big bhatura. Now after cooking for some time, the masala, it got nice beautiful color. In this we are going to add a lot of chopped coriander. While serving, we are going to add fresh onion, ginger and lime on top and serve. That will give awesome taste. Look at this. Beautiful. And the aroma, this is too good. For making bhatura, apply oil, and depending on the size of bhatura, you want to have a smaller bhatura, you can make small. You want to make a bigger bhatura, you can make it big. You know, depends on what size of bhaturas you want. Easiest way is using the rolling pin, and making it with hand, for a lot of people it is not possible, but if you add flour and roll, you know, the oil will get brown very fast. So always use oil, and then first, you know, this excess oil so it won't stick. Now roll it, take the rolling pin and roll it. Only when the oil is literally smoking, that's when you got to fry them. So take the bhatura and put it in the hot oil, just like the way I've said. Just pour the hot oil on top and your bhatura will slowly puff up. Look at this, you know, slowly the bhatura will pop open. Once you fry it on one side, turn it to the other side. Okay, look at that. Very simple, very easy to make the bhaturas puff up. Only thing is you need to pour the hot oil on top. The beautiful Channa masala is nice and ready. Look at it. Wonderful. With the bhatura, this is going to be just too good. Wow. This is something, you know, I used to enjoy this in Delhi a lot. Now add some onion, add a little bit of lime juice, of course some coriander and some ginger. Wow. Pickle. I love pickle with chole bhature. And now I also love yogurt on the side. So make the bhatura and always remember, use hot oil. Then immediately pour hot oil on top and this will puff up. This will puff up. So now when the bhatura puffs up, turn it to the other side. Queen Victoria is waiting here and the bhatura is ready.
Wow.
Along with Channa masala, everything. Okay, baby, come on, poke it in.
It's very hot.
Poke it,
It's very
baby.
hot.
Poke it the way you poke my life. Poke it. When it is hot like this, you gotta and dip it in. Okay, the nice chole and ding chick ding. The bhatura will anyway puff up, so make it small, big, it doesn't matter. And when they are nicely puffed up, in the home, I think you can make this much size, not bigger than that. With this, when Chole Batura, it reminds me of my management trainee days in Delhi with ITC Welcome Group. Taking a hot Batura and enjoying it. Oh, some of this onion, chole, with the crunchy onions, piece of ginger, the lime, the flavor. I'm telling you, you got to say ding chicka, ding chicka, ding chicka, ding chicka, because it is so awesome. Worth it. Worth it.